How to fix Steam api.dll was not found. So we just want to go to Google here and search for download DLL. Go to this website, dllfiles.com here, and we want to search for Steam. So search for Steam, press enter, and right here we want to get the second file in our case, steam_api.dll. Click on it, scroll down a little bit, and you will see the different download versions here or options. So you will have to get one for your specific computer depending on the operational system. But we're going to click on download here for the very top one. So you can also do the top one just to be safe. Click on the download here and just open up the file. I'm gonna click on this folder. Now what we want to do is right click and extract here, and it's going to give us two files. It went here at the bottom, but it's going to give you a readme file and a steam_api.dll file. Now what we want to do is right click, copy this file, and then we are going to go to this PC, go to the C drive. From here, we will go to Windows, find System32. It should be right here. If you don't see it, what you have to do is click on View, click on Options, change folder and search options, go to View again, and then show hidden files, folders, and drives, and click on Apply and OK. Now go to System32. And here we just want to right click and paste the Steam API and just continue granted access, and that's how you fix it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.